24, 24, 23, keep your way, where's 2, 22, 22, 1 right, I'll be 2100 the money, I'll be 2100 God, I'll be $2,100 the money in 1 bit.
Aaron Ralph.
Charlie Goff.
Jarryd Sutton.
Here from Alex Scott and Staff Sale Branch, just giving you a bit of a market report on today's store sale.
We had our March store sale here at sale today. We yarded around 1,200 cattle in total. We saw some very good lines of vendor bred weaner cattle, which feature here each year. We saw a limited number of heavy cattle handled by the South Gippsland bullock fatteners. We had very strong sales throughout all the weaner section, handled locally and through other parts of Gippsland. We had a fair run of crossbred cattle, which sold to reasonable demand considering the season, and we've concluded the sale with a handy run of cows and calves, which sold really well. Overall, we thought the sale was strong. We were happy with the results for all our vendors. The cattle looked terrific. Obviously, the season's been on everybody's side, so they presented really well. And yeah, we come away very happy, as were our vendors.
So our next store sale will be the first Thursday in April here in Sale. Thank you.
Cheers.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?